Having trouble connecting to EDUROAM? We've got you covered. This comprehensive guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve your connection issues fast. First, let's establish what EDUROAM is. It's a secure, worldwide roaming access service developed for the international research and education community, allowing users to easily access the internet across different institutions. Before diving into complex fixes, let's cover a few essential initial checks. These often resolve the problem quickly. A common mistake is incorrect credentials. Double-check that you are using your full institutional username and password. This often means including your institution's domain, like, quote, username@institution.edu. Make sure your device's Wi-Fi is enabled, airplane mode is off, and no VPN is interfering with the connection attempt. If the initial checks didn't work, let's move on to some quick common fixes that can clear up minor network glitches. One of the most effective quick fixes is to forget the EDUROAM network on your device and then attempt to reconnect. This forces a fresh authentication process. If that fails, a simple restart of your device can often clear temporary configuration or software issues affecting your network connection. For PC or Mac users, we have a few advanced steps that often resolve persistent connection problems. EDUROAM uses secure protocols, so you may need to check and potentially update the system certificate your device uses for authentication, especially if a certificate has expired. If the problem persists, clearing old network profiles and settings related to EDUROAM can sometimes resolve conflicts causing connection failures. Mobile users might encounter unique challenges. Here are some advanced steps tailored for smartphones and tablets. Many institutions recommend using a configuration tool like the EDUROAM CAT tool to properly set up your device's connection. Make sure it's installed and up to date. On some mobile operating systems, the private Wi-Fi address or MAC randomization feature can interfere with EDUROAM's network authentication. Try disabling this feature in your Wi-Fi settings for the EDUROAM network. If you've gone through all the steps and are still having issues, there are two final actions you need to take. First, check your institution's IT status page or social media for any known campus-wide network outages or scheduled maintenance that could be affecting EDUROAM. Finally, if no outages are reported, reach out to your institution's IT support team. They have specific knowledge about your local EDUROAM setup and can provide personalized assistance. To summarize, start with initial checks, move to quick fixes, and then attempt advanced troubleshooting for your specific device, finishing with checking for outages and contacting IT support. You'll be connected in no time.